When you're looking at LinkedIn automation tools, Expandi is one of the names that pops up a lot. But how does it compare to Salesforge? Well, I'm Sam, and I've tested hundreds of sales tools. And in this video, we'll break down Salesforge versus Expandi, covering senders, campaign setup, multi-channel outreach, lead databases, pricing, and more. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one gives you more power for your outreach. The first thing to check is senders. A sender is just the account you connect to run outreach. Expandi doesn't clearly state the limits, but from what we can see, it's most likely one sender per plan. Salesforge gives you unlimited senders. That means your account, your team's account, or however accounts you may need are all connected without any extra cost. But before you can send any outreach, you need to set up campaigns. Both Expandi and Salesforge let you build campaigns manually. Connection requests, follow-ups, messages, and so on. Expandi also includes some ready-made templates, which can save you time if you don't want to start from scratch. Salesforge is also working on it. Once campaigns are running, you'll have conversations to manage. Both platforms give you a centralized inbox, also called a Prime box, so you can reply to prospects from one place instead of logging into separate accounts to check the conversations. But the difference is that Salesforge includes AI draft replies. It uses your company information to suggest responses, helping you answer faster. Expandi doesn't have this feature. Now, let's talk about multi-channel outreach, basically contacting prospects on more than one platform. Both Expandi and Salesforge support LinkedIn and email, but with Salesforge, the plan includes 10,000 active contacts, up to 50,000 cold emails sent, 1,000 personalization and validation credits, plus premium mailbox warm-up. So while both support multi-channel, Salesforge packs in more resources without needing any add-ons. Expandi doesn't include a lead database. You'll need to source your leads separately. But if you're using Salesforge, you can use LeadsForge to search for lookalike leads, competitors, followers, or your exact ICP with AI. That means you can find leads a lot faster. Now let's do a quick rundown of other features. Expandi includes profile auto warm-up to protect your LinkedIn account from being flagged. Salesforge includes email warm-up and allows unlimited mailboxes, AI hyper-personalization, and full email system in the same plan. For integrations, Salesforge connects with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and more, while Expandi works mainly through webhooks. While white labeling is confirmed on Salesforge, with Expandi, it's not clear if that's supported. Expandi is $99 per month for one account. Salesforge is $96 per month with unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, and all the extras built in. So if you're serious about scaling, Salesforge gives you way more for less money. So here's the takeaway. If you only need LinkedIn with some templates and basic features, Expandi works. But if you want unlimited senders, stronger multi-channel outreach, and better value overall, Salesforge is the clear winner. And if you want to learn how to actually set up multi-channel outreach for the best results possible, that's exactly what I cover in this video. So see you on it.